Hey, good morning, Kelsey. Hope you had a good weekend, and I wanted to do this quick video here for you. So here is the 470, and I'm going to do a quick cold start for you and poke around the engine bay once we get it started. But without further ado, let me get it started up here for you. See, the temperature gauge is buried. So you'll hear the secondary air injection shut off here in just a second. Goes. All right, so normally when these things tick or the manifolds are cracked and leaking, you're going to hear it worse in reverse. So let me put it in reverse. Quiet as a mouse. Just what you want to hear. Absolutely zero tick going on at all on this, if that's what you were looking for with the cold start. Let me get it back in park here. And so here's the radiator. Looks like it's the original radiator. But again, it's not leaking. Typically they'll start to leak up here. And I don't see any signs of any of that happening. My mechanic who did all the repair work, he would have obviously let me know if it was leaking, but so that's it, man. Hopefully this will help, and please just let me know if you have any questions or if you'd like to see anything else. The car's in great shape. Hopefully my pictures kind of do it justice. And it's just sitting here ready for someone to take it. So let me know if you have any questions, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.